idagdag natin dun yung strategy natin, no? Specifically for drugs dahil drugs and criminality halos correlated yan eh. At lalong-lalo na pangunahing problema natin ngayon yung drugs. We used to have a two-pronged strategy of supply reduction and demand reduction. Meaning we must have a good knowledge of where drugs are coming from. No? Specifically, we should even lodge a protest to these countries or sources of drugs flooding our country. We have also looked into some community development projects to lessen the demand side of the drug addiction. And we also have rehabilitations. But at the moment, we need to enhance cooperation, international cooperation, law enforcement cooperation, so that we can start going after the sources of drugs cartels outside of the Philippines. And then it should be coupled with training and education. It should be incorporated in the curriculum, not only for high school at even in the elementary. Kailangan malaman na mga bata pa lang ay dapat may awareness na sila sa ill effects of drugs and the attendant crimes attributed to drug addiction. And also, isama na natin dyan yung aggressive law enforcement, no? At legal offensive to prosecute these perpetrators.
Okay, thank you. Final response?
Yeah, thank you. I believe that drugs is public enemy number one. Ano? I've been going around the country since I was in the service. Alam ko ang droga ay dala-dala dito sa ating bansa ng mga dayuhan. That is why we need to ensure that if ever we reimpose death penalty, it's going to be against foreigners who destroy our country by introducing drugs. Alam niyo po, karamihan ng mga napaghuhuli natin ay galing po sa mga taga-China, no? Iba Taiwan at iba from Nigeria. So, applying the principles of reciprocity doon sa kanilang bayan, kakapiranggot lang dala-dala ng ating mamamayang Pilipino, anong ginagawa? Binibitay sila. So, dito kinakailangan magsilbi ring leksyon para sa mga banyaga na nagdadala ng droga dito sa ating bayan. Kilo-kilo, drum-drum ng masangkap sa paggawa ng droga. Kaya po napakarami ng crime laboratories dito. And we know that the incidence of drugs is on the rise. And we need to check that. We need to serve lesson to the foreigners na hindi sila dapat magdala ng droga rito and make a mockery of our justice system. Akala nila tambakan tayo ng droga rito. We're not a drug haven. We need to reimpose death penalty pronto. If I'm going to be elected by God's grace, I'm going to reimpose death penalty against foreigners who destroy our country, yung ating pong hinaharap, ang ating kinabukasan by destroying our young people. Maraming salamat po.